clear to te chibai ule tungka chunga Salvation Army rombol chin thar elongai thang Territorial Leaders Commissioner la zamlawa Territorial Commander le Commissioner Noi Territorial President of Women's Ministries Tichuan January ni somni pasari sahni sombokwa thiang lemne inkhom hian Major Chonglona Divisional Commander Central North Division le Major Lal Chwan Moi Divisional Director of Women's Ministries Central North Division techu chaltang kora ta nge na hun an mangang Zanchan damna inkoma Major K Byak Chua Male Major Chuang Kimi Bong Kon Bial Commanding Officer te Retirement Certificate lan na an ngal bokang Major K Byak Chua Male Major Chuang Kimi Tanu Pa Bong Kon Commanding Officer Biala Commanding Officer ni lai te chu kumsom thum pani tlwang le bahla na omlawa Active Officer ni arombol na hlotling tak an nei nu in January ni somni pasari sang ni som pakwa hian thoklai ni na achangin an lo choldon ta a Major K Byak Chua Male Major Chuang Kimi te hi Messenger of Peace session ni in me ni som sakha zakwa somria pasari khan rombol turan nem nge an ne Retirement Service Income he January ni samne pasari san hi sompakwa hian bongkon kora nei ani anga Territorial Headquarters Aching Commissioner la zamlawa Territorial Commander in Retirement Certificate ahlanang Chipura District SAY rally to January ni samne panga chang ni samne pasari sang hi sompako chung hian bilyang chip kora man ania rally hi Captain K Rol Hupaya Territorial Secretary le Territorial SAY Executive Member 10 an manpui Rally ahan Chipura District Chung Korle Society Chicken Bell to Commanding Officer, Soldier of Cross, Evangelist Teacher le SAY Member Nam Shang Shang Nam Sarite Rally ahan kal komin item benglo tak tak Nam Shang Shang ten neyin pathian fakle choy moyin hunlim om tak an mang Laldin Thari Republic Corps kumsani som Pariata Mizoram University in Bachelor of Science result ati chwa Mizoram po biotechnology pathumna choi moi na hun che January ni samne pakasani som pako Zan Khan SAY in Khoma Territorial SAY Council in Ampwasaya Julie Vanlal Rwati Republic Corps in Khom Kai Shwayin Citation Engineer Lal Remoya General Secretary in Atlan Pujimi Laltan Moy Assistant Leader Territorial SAY Council in Lompuina Tilpek Lan Nale Fuina Thusain Captain Kero Lupuya Territorial Il Secretary in Hena Chingin Pathian Thuchang Thak ani Youth Multipurpose Center Sakmek to January ni sompakwa sahni sompakwa in Renizing Kar Khan Territorial Salvation Army Youth Council OBLE Pusi Vanlal Pega Corporate Guardian Government Complex Court Chuan Amuna enin manrwale dan turle na chun som dan turte an say how January ni samne panhe sanghe sompakwa Khan THQ officer nazom thartalom na income THQ devotiona man ane income Lieutenant Colonel Vanlal Thanga Secretary for Personnel Administration in Kai Shwayin Commissioner la zamlawa Territorial Commander in Lomna Thole fuina thutoi asaya nazom tharte chingin thutsenga ithak ane Lieutenant Colonel SP Simon Chief Secretary in Malsom Jongchayin hunto pasya January ni samne panhe sanghe sompoko Zan Khan Salvation Army Communications Network Volunteer Member te THQ Bortuma meeting ne ani malak dan turle na chan pol shang shang te sei hona le SACNET mason dan tur mathler member te changin ngai thak ane In the Eastern Territory calendar of events sa alan angen January ni samne pasare pathiani hi kumin sanghi sompokwa atana avai khatnan no pangte thuti tluk na ni first decision Sunday ania territory chunga korle society shang shanga he hun hino pangten pathian he na thuti tluk na neya alin hlan tharna ni tan man anidona officer le local officer 10 an man puyang Himalayan Division lama chuan Captain Kelal Rimpuya le Captain Lal Monpui Sailo de chu Himalayan Divisional Commander le Divisional Director of Women's Ministries ni Turin January ni som pakasan hi som pakwa Khan anmun thar Siliguri thlengin January ni som palisan hi som pakwa chingin an thar anzom Pathian Shwaina 11 himna Sara Himalayan Division achingin Major Lal Monchana Shillong Bialto Commanding Officer chuan January ni kwasan hi som pakwa Khan long service order adong kumsomne pangalai pathian rombol thele pathianin akai Shwaina Himalayan Division chunga sipaitele thoktu officer chuan an lompui hle January ni somni sanghi sompakwa Khan Shillong COBL Council nei ani he council ahan community na rombol na kalpui zel dan turte ngai to in budget le action plan te siam ani Fata Pukur home lik te chuan kumsan hi sompakwa chunga tan an member lori gola damlo na wang na thok thailo chu cheng sa thomin thlatin an champui to dona tin Major Emmanuel Mahapatra te chungkwa in thlatin cheng san in an sponsor don bok ani January ni somni pakhasan he sompokwa khan fatupukur home league te chuan captain lal monpui sailo DDWM hovin NJP change junction amir theite tlo in blanket somle thomno chanem tak ansem he hun han no pangtam lo dressing ngai te dressinga anpem te tom sak annebok January ni somne paruk Republic Day han fatupukur kor SAY de chuan open air meeting pray for India ti thupui mangin Rajgania anne he hun han skit dance le pathian thupan chhuan hun man ane Mary Scott Home and School for the Blind Kalimpong chuan Christmas le kum tharlom na ano pangmamo le na turtan hetia han champuina andong Ebenezer Court YP cheng singkhat Bethlehem Court YP cheng sanga SOA Guwahati City Court cheng sangli zanga heng champuina andona changhan korlum le anmamo dang le sakin Christmas le kum tharlim takin anmang ole khati som khatung ka chunga Salvation Army rom bol chan chin thar kan ngai thla khau thei de chu ane